Hello there, Charlie from the Vevox customer success team. Now, we love to work with our customers to come up with new and innovative ways to use our live polling features to better enhance engagement and group collaboration at meetings or trainings. During a large meeting or workshop, breakout sessions can offer a great way to get small groups of individuals exchanging ideas, answering questions, and working together to tackle a specific challenge, for example. Here's a great way you can utilise a Vevox open text poll to capture those ideas and discussion points and display them back to the audience when everybody rejoins the main group. So I'm going to go ahead and create an open text question. We're at our team away day today, and I really would love to know whether my CSMs know what the common attributes or the key attributes are to a customer success manager. I'm going to get everybody discussing their ideas and recording them here in this open text poll. So I'm going to hit create there. Okay. So now I've got my questions ready. And at the point when my team are breaking out into their breakout sessions, I am going to go into present view and I'm going to open up my poll and I'm going to get everybody to share their ideas. Now you can either show your results building in real time if you want to. You can hide the results from the settings menu, or you can display the results as you close the poll. Okay, so I'm hiding my results here now. Once we've completed our breakout sessions, we're going to come back to the main group and we're going to have a look at what everybody came up with in their way of ideas and discussion points. So I'm really keen to show everybody what they came up with. Okay, so when we come to our poll, we can show our results. So I also ran another question a bit earlier in my team meeting where I wanted the team to discuss their ideas for webinars for our customers. So when I'm ready to show those discussion points, I can show the results again and I can see this is what my whole team came up with in their individual groups, and then we can talk through everybody's ideas around these specific webinars. Hopefully that's offered you some really great ideas for your breakout sessions. Do keep your ideas coming to us. Do feel free to bounce ideas with the customer success team at any time. And you can also reach us on support@vevox.com. Hopefully see you again in our next video.